Curious about what your friends are sharing? Unlock the world of Telegram stories in just a tap. Here's how. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check stories on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. You will see the circular icon at the top of the chat list. These are the stories shared by your contacts. Tap on the profile picture with the colorful ring to open the story. Tap the left side to go back. Again tap on the story. Swipe up to react or reply to the story if allowed by the user. So this is how to check stories on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.